Wait! Don't forget to subscribe. If you do, I'll give you a headbutt. That's ogre for thank you.